Consumer Cellular offers two voicemail options: traditional call-in and visual voicemail. The call-in method is the default and works on any phone, even basic models. To access, dial *86 or your personalized voicemail number. You'll be prompted for your PIN. Enter it to access your inbox. From there, follow the audio prompts. Press 1 to replay a message, 2 to save, 3 to delete, etc. This method is reliable but can be time-consuming, especially with multiple messages. You can customize your greeting and PIN via the Consumer Cellular app or by contacting customer service. Ensure you use a secure PIN to prevent unauthorized access. Visual voicemail offers a more convenient way to manage messages. To use it, download the Consumer Cellular app on a compatible smartphone. Log in with your account credentials. Enable Visual VM in the settings. Messages are transcribed into text, allowing you to read, listen, or manage them without calling in. This uses speech recognition, which can sometimes have errors with accents or poor audio. The app lets you quickly review messages and save time. Visual voicemail requires a data or Wi-Fi connection. The service is free and integrates with call logs. For issues, clear the app cache or contact customer support.